Okay. It's the head shed. I'm going to cut a bowl to drink. And I've got this knife because I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard to be. What was it? What was it? I'm trying so hard to be. Trying so hard to be. So tired of me trying so hard. Anyway, so we're going to try and do some of this. At the moment, this is like really nasty, as you can see. And it's actually been sort of raised and messed with, so we're going to try and sort of like drop a load of sort of crap lead into there just to stop it from getting any worse. That's my plan. I've cut a piece of hardwood block, so I need to put that on, sorry. I need to put that on. Oh god, yeah. Right, okay, so we'll sod it, we'll just go what we got. We got what we got. Yeah. Are you watching this? Are you seeing it? I'm not sure you're seeing it or not. Not seeing it, but try and do this. I hope you can see it, but you can't, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, they say, in the old days they go, a good lead guy could do that, you don't need money filler in it. Now, I'd agree with them on clean metal, brand new car. Remember, this thing's 50 years old, as everyone keeps telling me. So, I think I'd have to say that whatever I do is a bonus. And in reality, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I haven't lost nothing on it because I've just done it anyway. So, and remember, I'm here in the shed doing this onside Todd, right? So, compared to what that looked like before, I think that's actually quite good. So that's it, right? So. From the point of view of what I've done some leading in front of you. I lost a little bit, not much, that's much. Well, I could put it back in there, mate it down and use it again, but it ain't worth doing. But that's what you do, that's how you do it. And then you fly it back and then you end up putting a skiver filler in anyway, so whether you enjoy that, if you didn't, don't look away. Look away, gypsy lad. Talk to you soon, bye.